How to add motion effects and zoom in Lightcut. Want to make your videos more dynamic? Motion effects and zoom can add energy to your scenes. First, select a clip, tap Effects, then choose Motion or Zoom. Adjust the intensity, duration, and direction to highlight your subject or create cinematic movement. Preview to ensure it feels natural. Combine subtle zooms with text or captions to emphasize key points without being distracting. What type of motion effect do you use the most? Zoom in, pan, or tilt? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can add motion effects and zoom in Lightcut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.